Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely specification Land Rover Discovery. Here's finished in the Fuji White. Does come with the full black exterior pack, so your vents, grille, and you do get the 22-inch gloss black wheels as well. Does come with the sliding front sunroof and a fixed rear sunroof in the back. Moving around the side, you do get the LED tail lights, electric tailgate, and access to your third row seating. Moving on into the back, you do get the full ebony perforated leather interior with the titanium mesh effect interior trim. Factory fitted rear seat entertainment. And something you don't see all too often on these, you do have the red contrast piping and stitching. So you do have the Meridian surround sound as well. In the front you do have heated and ventilated electric front seats with your driver memory function. You also get the winged headrests. Climate control wise, you do have the 4-zone climate control with your heated second row outer seats. All your infotainment, you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your satellite navigation and your rear view camera, etc. through there. Do get a heated leather steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, and you do also have the interactive driver's display. It's done just over 52,000 miles. Overall, just a lovely, well-kept car. It does come with a full service history. You do also have other standard features like your keyless entry, etc. But it's a lovely, lovely thing. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.